Yeah, you don't hang it up there, it's got on pace.
Oh, it nearly ended up with a chance for Somalia. They got the flick on, ball is still with Somalia. Good ball to the far side! They've got the goal back, they're back in the game!
It's all about the delivery for me, Chris. You know I'm going to say that's a wonderful header, but Abdullahi, it's a wonderful, wonderful delivery with his left foot. And what a header. The place has erupted. I didn't think Somalia were going to get back into this game. Well, that's exactly what they've done, and they're back into it. This is the delivery. It's got to be right. So vitally important with the cross, and it is absolutely perfect. The right pace, and there's a header. What do? Head it down into the corner. Keeper not a chance at all, and we have a game on our hands.
Bell jiggling at the far post there for Somalia, heading home, puts his side back into this tie. It's 2-1 now to Oman.